Hello everyone, this is Juris. I have here my HP laptop. Its model is 14-CM0 series. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade this laptop. I bought a M.2 SSD, and this laptop has 1 TB HDD storage. So now I'm going to remove the bottom case of this laptop just to install this M.2 SSD. And now I'm going to fold this. And by the way, last week I already removed the screws in this laptop. We have 2 screws in the bottom, and then another one in the middle. Actually I remove this rubber just to remove the screw, and later I'll show you how to later we're going to put back these screws. So we're going to remove this. Sorry for my poor English. I'm not good in English. And also we have 3 screws on the top. One in this location, another one, and here. And right now we already removed this screw. We're going to use our prying tool to remove the bottom case of this laptop. By the way, I forgot to turn off the laptop. Bad thing in this laptop, I can only see if it's turned off in this side. So I'm not aware if this laptop's on and off without I need to look to my left side. And now I think it's already shut down, turned off the laptop. So we can remove our bottom keys. Forgot it's the way. And I have a prying tool. You can purchase prying tool online, but I don't have one, so I created a prying tool. So to do this, just cut it to be very thin. Now I already going to open it by inserting this. It's hard for me to remove using one hand because I'm recording. Okay, so that's the left side. It's already hung up. And the other side. Okay, wait. I'm left-handed, so it's getting hard time to use my right hand. So let's need this. I think it's much better we're going to in this side because I'm left-handed. And I think it's already removed. And we can switch it. Flip this laptop here. I just pause the video. Taking someone to hold my phone. Okay, I asked someone to hold my phone to record this video. Okay, so we already has one, so we can properly use our flying tool. So we're going in the right side. And now we're going to flip our laptop. And okay, finally someone deserves me, so I need to pause the video. Okay, I already remove the back bottom case. This one, this is the bottom case of the laptop. Okay, so this is the bottom, this is the board of the laptop. By the way, okay, here we have our 1TB HDD, and this one is from, when I check the BIOS, it's from Western Digital. And our laptop battery, and we have two DDR4 slot. I have Samsung for 4GB Samsung, and we have extra slot, and I don't have any. Actually, I purchased another 8GB DDR4 memory, but it's not yet it's not its status is still in shipping. And I'm going to install this M.2 SSD in this slot, M.2 slot. Okay, just to unbox this. Okay, again, I asked someone to hold my phone. Okay, we are going to unbox this M.2 SSD. I think how we can going to do it. Just going to cut of this or what. Okay, do I need to use a cutter for this one? I don't think so. I don't need to use a cutter. Okay, so okay, we have autofocus. We have 240GB of storage. We're going to install the operating system in this SSD. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the recovery, HP recovery to install Windows 10 in this one. Okay. And there is, by the way, there is screw in this one, so I need to remove it first. This is the lock. And actually, before we need to remove this battery. Actually, we need to remove this battery before installing or removing hardware in this laptop. But I'm lazy, so I'm not going to use the SOP or standard operating procedure. Because there is actually 4 screws in the battery. Okay, so we properly put it in. So we're going to turn to put back the screw. And I think it's done. So we're going to turn back the bottom case of this laptop. And we have for beginners, I'm going to show actually this one. Okay, nothing. I'm not expert in disassembling other brands aside from Asus. There is no screws in this. Why? They should have screw in HDD because I think there is a bad design in this laptop. They don't have screws in this. And the HDD is rotating. So okay. Come on. Okay. Just make sure this is properly. I'm gonna start in this side first. In this side first. So going to check if properly. So just going to turn on the laptop and check if they detected our wait, our CD. I'm not able to see HD, sorry, the SSD. So going to check it from the OS. Okay, we just booted our laptop. Let's see if there is two disks in this laptop, the HDD and the newly our new M.2 SSD. To do that, go to this type in this, go to the create and format this. Just say this there is an error because we are inserted we have two drives now. This is our SSD and this is our 1 TB Western Digital HDD. So we're going to put back our screw. Just let's turn off this laptop. So already Philip cut the videos. So you have the bottom case of the laptop. So we have actually removed, and like I said earlier, I already removed the screws last week, just to make sure there is a slot, because I'm not familiar with HP. But I already checked in the internet and they said there is another memory slot and one for M.2. So we have six screws. The color silver is put in this part of the under the rubber of the laptop. So I show you. It's going to use our prying tool. So as you can see, there is screw slot and going to put it back. This one. It's done. Okay, next one, this side. We cut the video because I'm out of memory. So here the bottom part, this part of the laptop. So going to use our applying tool. Okay, I forgot there is only one screw in this side. Same done in this. We forgot to put screw in this side. And then we have 2 screws left, and this is the ACS. And we're done, and that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.